Right now, our economy sentiment API is showing a notable spike in momentum at plus 0.64, while sentiment sits at plus 0.05. This is unusual given recent trends, where sentiment typically hovers around zero, suggesting a general lack of enthusiasm. The momentum indicates a significant upward shift in sentiment over the past 24 hours, with 19 semantic clusters reflecting diverse perspectives. With this data, you get a comprehensive view of economic sentiment, allowing you to identify shifts in public perception quickly. For instance, if you're building a dashboard to inform investment strategies, this spike in momentum could signal an emerging opportunity. Dive deeper into the insights your application can leverage. Check out our API documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's transform sentiment data into actionable intelligence.